Hello everyone, this is Angela from Antoinette Plans, and today I'll be doing a bullet journal setup as well as the first week of July. And what you're seeing here is actually the first page in my bullet journal because I'm using a new journal right now. I realized that since I've been journaling every single day, I've used up the previous book pretty quickly, and I estimated being able to use a book for 2 months if I keep this up. So the next page is actually a setup for the whole book, July to August, but there's a plot twist because I realized I could have used the book for 3 months instead. So I have no idea how I'm gonna change that, but yeah. Anyway, the next page is actually July's goals along with a calendar and a daily to-do list that I plan to do every day, as well as very cute washi tapes that I love. Now this next part is actually starting in the middle because I lost the footage of me putting down all the stickers that you already see on the screen now. So what you're gonna see is actually me doing the journaling part instead of the planning part. So this week I'm doing it a little bit differently from in June, because in June I did everything together. I planned and journaled on my Notion online, and then I transferred every word I wrote onto my journal. And I thought that was a bit of a weird system. Also, I don't want to have the Notion be my planning device for everything. I actually want my bullet journaling to be like my main planning system. So what I'm doing right now is actually trying to plan on my journal and then journal every single day. But I also know that's impossible because of my lifestyle. So what I'm doing right now is plan on my journal every day in the week before, like on every Sunday, and then I journal in my Notion, and I will have time to transfer my journaling or whatever I wrote onto my bullet journal. So what you're seeing here is actually the plans that I've made the week before for this particular week, and then what I'm writing down now is actually what I've already journaled into my Notion and am now transferring onto the bullet journal. I kind of like this system a lot better than the previous one. It's less hectic and it's a more aesthetic way of putting what I've done throughout the week. And if I need more details, everything can be found in the Notion, which I carry around with me in all my devices. So now I don't have to carry my bullet journal with me. It's a record of what I've done every single day. So I kind of like that. Anyway, so what I'm using in this week's decoration is mainly all the washi tapes that I've collected over the past year, and these are all new ones that I've never used, and I kind of like them all, but I realized that I keep looking for washi tapes that are part of the theme or part of what I'm planning or whatever I'm writing, that I cannot really use them all at all. So right now I'm just thinking maybe I shouldn't care about what I'm writing or what I'm planning and just use those tapes and those really pretty designs. So here I am using a boy holding a cat and lying on the table, which I've never done before, and a huge bread basket, which I should have used last week because I ate curry and butter and bread a lot last week, and I have never noticed this roll of washi tape and its baguette inside. Also, there's a planner and a roll of washi tape at the top from the same washi tape roll, and I'm like, whoa, this is actually a really fitting washi tape roll to use, but for some reason I've never seen it, and ever since I decided to hell with it, I'm just gonna use everything, and I see so many things that I could have used. So this is Wednesday, and again I'm just searching for suitable tapes to use, and I found this amazing tape where the character is going grocery shopping, going shopping in general, and there's a flower, there's a gift tag, and it's quite fitting. Even though I said I wanted to just use the washi tape for aesthetic purposes instead of using them to fit whatever I'm writing, but on this day is the day where I brought Faye's her souvenir from Korea, and hers is a little bit different. It's well wrapped, and a lot more personality went into her souvenir compared to whatever I gave the rest of my colleagues, since we were closer. So I labeled it as well with a heart-shaped sticky note, and that was cute. So yeah, this whole theme on his page was gifting, presents, and celebrating, which is involved in every single portion of the washi tape that I used here on this day. So yeah, that was Wednesday, and also Wednesday we shuffled lots of cards into our box machine, in not the machine but into the decks of cards that we have at our libraries. We have this promotion going on where every 4 books that you will give you a point, and you can use 4 points to redeem a book. I feel like I got that wrong. Oh no, it's 1 book gives you a point, and every 4 points helps you redeem a card, and they are collectible cards like Pokemon cards back in the day, or like those kind of gaming cards where there is power and there's like a number at the top. And I don't know, I don't play card games a lot, but yeah, that's the card we've been shuffling, and I feel like so time consuming and kind of mindless, and I did it for 2 whole days. Well, not 2 whole days, maybe 1.5 days, but the only benefit is we all were together, which made it kind of fun. And Faye was the DJ in the room, and she played lots of her Korean songs, but I kind of hijacked it halfway there. So I played lots of like Chinese songs for myself. Yeah. So my journaling on Thursday is a bit longer because I was mentioning this food delivery service that my sister found again, and compared to the food delivery service I had last time with the healthy meal plan and everything from YOLO Foods, this particular service is called Kin Paradise, and it's kind of like a Chinese style 3 dishes 1 soup kind of set. So every day they deliver you 3 dishes and 1 soup for a total of 5 packs, and that's your whole family's dinner. And they also have another set which is a 2 packs lunch or dinner, which my sister and I plan on getting. And then it's like a healthy option, and we were going to order like the dinner set, and then we'll pick it up for lunch the next day. And it consists of 2 dishes and 1 soup. It feels like something that me and my sister eat more regularly, and it's closer to our tastes. And I feel like this might last longer than previous meal plans we've tried. So I'm feeling a little bit more optimistic than normal. Right. So yes, this is the Thursday of the week, and I'm back to using this boy character washi tape. And basically whenever I'm using him, it has nothing to do what I've done on that day, because nothing he does is ever something I ever do. Anyway, so this particular washi tape I'm using on Saturday is amazing because it has the piano, which I want to continue learning, but I have no time and no money. It's a budget risk. Also, my piano is currently in my parents' room and underneath a lot of random stuff, and I don't think I can access it at this time anyway. So yeah, I think I will put it aside for a while, especially when I need to prepare for the Japanese courses that I'll be taking with my friend, and I need to study for it first. Apparently, I need to take an oral test before getting the class, and I'm not very confident about it right now, so I will just buckle down and study for a few weeks before I attempt the oral test. So the last day of the week is a little bit funnier and cuter with the washi tape that I went with. I drank bubble tea today. I'm voice overing this video on this day that you see right now. So I actually slept in and I drank bubble tea, and my aunt is like, you shouldn't drink so much bubble tea, that's why you're fat. But okay, yeah, so that's what she said, and that's why I used this huge ass bubble tea washi tape, which I love. I have no idea why I've never used this roll before, but I am happy that I discovered it. It was really nice, and looking at the roll, I feel like I will use it a lot more often than previously. Yep, so this is my new bullet journal setup, my July goals, and the first week of July. And I hope you like my video, and subscribe if you like these videos, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.